Houston, Texas, what's going on? I'm so sad, Texas. I'm so hungry. No have a food, Texas. To you, yes, Christopher. I'm so hungry. No have what Zilly? What Zilly, Texas? Hi, it viewers. Yes, Christopher. I'm so hungry because no have a food. OMG. To send money. I have a people Texas. No have a